Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix restricted account on Crunchyroll. Most account restrictions are caused by age setting. Open the Crunchyroll app and go to account setting. Tap on preference or match your content. Make sure your age is set to 18 plus. Next, refresh your account, log out of Crunchyroll, close the app completely, reopen it again and log back in. This helps apply the setting faster. If you are using VPN or proxy, turn it off. VPNs can make Crunchyroll think you are in restricted region, which cause account or content restrictions. After turning it off, reopen Crunchyroll and try again. After that, go to App Store and make sure the app is fully updated. Old app version can incorrectly show account restrictions. Sometimes the restriction is device related. If you are on mobile, try logging in on a PC browser. If it works there, log out and back in on your phone. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.